wanted to create another example of building a static website with Codeium. In this case, I'm taking a little bit of a different approach where rather than starting from scratch, writing up a prompt describing the pages I want, I'm going to redo my personal website. I previously built this using V0 and I'm pretty sure Claude and Claude Code. But let's try to rebuild it in Codeium, try to modernize it, get some new designs. So I'm going to go ahead and prompt, and I'm going to link the reference. And in this case, since I built it myself, there's a reference folder that we can reference as well. So we'll go ahead and finish out our prompt website. And we'll go ahead and finish the prompt. So in this case, we're doing a website. We'll let Codeium decide on the stack. And we'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and ask for help with design. Yes, we want to be notified. So we'll go ahead and get started. So we'll launch the design chat and we'll see what directions get produced. And we'll go ahead and come back when this is done. Okay, so I wanted to share an update. We got the first round of designs and they're fine, but I don't love them. So I actually have gone ahead and you can see my prompt. This is the prompt that I've used a couple of times with decent results. So I figured I'd try it here. But I'm basically asking Claude via Codeium to do another round where it gets a little crazier and it kind of role plays as someone that's a world-class designer and giving sort of specific examples. You could also give specific examples of sites that you want as references. If there were people's websites that I loved, maybe I would do that. But in this case, I just kind of want to push the AI a little more abstractly, which can work really well and can also lead to some poor results. The other thing I did is I gave it another link to a different site that I've built. And I also gave it a photo, just giving it file name. It's a file on my desktop, so easy for Claude to access. So it can kind of pre-fill that. And I let it know it was pretty consistent with the copy, that it can get a little more creative. So it's running now through a new set of versions. I could also go in if I wanted to a specific version and get feedback on that. But in this case, I kind of wanted to throw the whole batch out and begin again. And honestly, that's on me. I could have given more context in my initial prompt, but that's what iteration's for. So we'll come back when we get another rev and I'll let you know how it goes. I wanted to share a quick update on how my personal website refresh is going. I've iterated a bit on my own, and you can see that variants have changed quite a bit, both in terms of style and in terms of content. And so given this, and given that I was having a tough time making a decision on which direction I wanted to go, I decided to take it to our team stand-up and chat with my co-founder, Jared, who's our CTO, as well as our amazing product designer, Danny, about their opinions. In the next video, you'll see the result of that discussion. Spoiler alert, we didn't reach a final decision, but we did give me a lot of ideas. And so I'll continue to work and I will keep you posted on the journey. And if you have thoughts or ideas or feedback watching this video, just let me know.